Lesson 7. Creating Crosstab Report. Part 1. Creating first crosstab report. Click File, then click New and select Crosstab Report. In the Available Data Sources pane, click the plus sign to the left of the SQL ODBC, type password and click OK. Click the plus sign to the left of the car transactions, click the plus sign to the left of the DBO, and then click the plus sign to the left of the views. Add the vTransactions view to the selected tables pane and click Next. In the Available Fields pane, select Surname, and click the right-facing arrow to the left of the Columns pane. Select Car, and click the right-facing arrow to the left of the Rows pane. Then drag Model to the Rows pane. Drag Price, Amount and Value to the Summary Fields pane. Click Next 3 times. Choose the grid style and click Finish. Part 2. Formatting a crosstab report. Part 3. Changing the appearance of crosstab report. You can change the appearance of the report. Do you want to learn new skills in the fastest and most effective way? Visit learnwithvideotutorials.com.